So before you're going to sit down, please pick up some pieces of papers under your chair. Okay, very good. So before we're going to start our class, so let me check your attendance. Okay, so Marcelo, Alvin, Gomez. Okay, very good. You are perfect attendance. So today, before we are going to start my lessons, so let me introduce our classroom rules. So what our classroom rules? So first is what? Keep quiet. So if the teachers are talking in English, so you're going to listen and you are not going to have a chismis with your classmate. So second is listen carefully. So when the teachers are explaining so you're going to listen. So third is sit properly. So paano ba magtupo ng maayos? Okay, very good. So next is raise your hand or raise your right hand. So if you want to answer, please raise your hand. And if you're going to go to outside, so please raise your hand also. So today, let us go to our introduction of our topic. So our topic today is very easy. So first is, so are you excited to meet our new lesson? Yeah, very good. So now, I have here a picture and you will answer if you will know. Okay? Very good. So first picture is, so what is this picture? Very good. This is a star. So saan ba natin makikita ang star? Yes, sa sky. So next is, what is this picture? Yes, Marcelo. Okay, very good. This is the clouds. So next is, what is this? This is not a banana. This is a, yes, Gomez. This is a moon. So saan ba natin nakikita ang moon? Tuwing gabi. Every night. So last picture is, okay, this is the sun. Okay. So before we're going to start, let me introduce to you our learning objective. Okay, so first objectives at the end of this lesson, the student should have, first is identify the sun, moon, star, describe their basic feature. Second is show appreciation for the role of the sun, the moon, and the stars in daily life through class discussion and group. So next is classify pictures of sky object and today, night, groups and blue illustration of day and night. So after our topic, so we're going to draw. Okay. So let us a activity. So are you excited for our activity? Okay, very good. So before we start, please let me group you into 4 groups para mamaya mag-grupo-grupo naman kayo para sa inyong gawain. So, okay, let's count 1, 2, 4. Start from you. Okay, so today, you will go to your group now in a silent way. Okay. So let me spoke to you our direction. So our direction is meron akong picture I have here a picture, and you will ipadikit niyo ito kung saan ito nabibilong. It is belong to day or night. So, mag-usap-usap kayo sa inyong mga kagrupo upang makuha ninyo ang iyong tama sagot. So, I have here a night. So, ano ba ang night? Gabi. Very good. And day naman, it is araw or makayan. Okay. So, first group, second group, and third group. So, bubunutin niyo ito, and tapos ito kung saan ito, or where it is belong. So, good. Are you all done? Very good. So, now, saan ba nabibilong ang clouds? Ha? Anybody? Okay, very good. So, the clouds is belong to day. But, the clouds also makikita natin if it is at night. Diba? If kapag gabi, kapag lumalabas tayo, makikita din natin ang clouds. Nakuha ba? Okay, very good. So, next picture is color blue. So, this is a star. So, where does the stars belong? It is belong to what? Okay, very good. It is belong to night. So, let's clap. So, next is, what is this again? Yes, this is a moon. So, where's the moon? Moons belong. It is belong to night. So, nakakita na ba kayo ng moon and star? Okay, very good. So, next is, this is a sun. So, where does the sun belong? Okay, very good. The sun is belong to heaven. So, now, let's go to our main lesson or our main topic. This is what we call the meaning of the sun, moon, stars, and clouds. And mamaya, you will know what is the purpose in our daily lives. Okay? Very good. So first is the sun. So the sun is a big hot ball of gas in space that gives what? Light, heat to the earth. So it helps plants grow and keeps our planet warm. The sun is the center of our solar system. So the sun is what? The sun is the center of our solar system. Okay. So what is the purpose of sun? Anybody? Yes, Marie? Okay, very good. The sun gives us light. So kapag walang sun, hindi na tayo makikita dahil puro lang ito gabi. Okay? So next is another, what else? From this group. Okay. The sun gives us light. Tama ba? Very good. The sun gives us light. Kahit walang sun, we will not grow. Okay? The sun is very important in our lives because if we have no sun, we cannot see light. The plants cannot grow. And the earth, because the plants gives us heat to the earth. Okay, so next is the moon. So what is the moon? The moon is a round object in space that moves around the earth. It shines at night. So saan nakikita ang moon? Tuwing gabi. So because it reflects light from the sun. So the moon daw ay nakikita natin through the reflection of the sun. So for example, this is so this is the sun and this is the moon. So the sun belongs in here. So the moon belongs to there. So the sun gives the light to the moon and the moon will give us Light sila lang makikita natin tuwing gabi. Or ano ba? Okay. So next is, what is the purpose of the moon? Ano nga ba? Yes, Andre. So the moon gives, very good, the moon gives us light also. Dahil kapag walang moon, tuwing gabi, wala tayong makikita. So the moon is very important for our body to have our sleep. Sino ba yung hindi natutulog kapag gabi? Di ba natutulog tayong lahat kapag gabi? Very good. So next is the star. The star is a bright ball of hot gas in space that gives off its own light and heat. So the sun is also a star. So what do you call the sun again? It is the star also, because ito ay nagbibigay lumana and shine. So the purpose of the sun and the star is kita natin na ito ay that we appreciate the sky, the clouds. Okay, so next is the clouds. Are made of tiny drops of water or ice floating in the sky. They can bring rain, shades, or snow. So the clouds are made of tiny drops of water. So the clouds is ano ba? Saan ba nanggaling yung ulan? It is belong to what? It is belong to the clouds. So the clouds, di ba pag mayroong clouds, kapag naitim yung clouds, ito ay what? Uulan. It will rain if the clouds are dark. Okay. Nakuha ba? Okay, very good. So today, we'll give you an activity. So, in our activity, I will have crayons and you will draw during the day and during the night. Okay? So, dalawang papel or lahati ninyong papel na dito ay nabilong yung day and night. So, ano bang makikita natin sa day and what we're going to see during the night. Okay, so we have here a direction that you will follow. So please read our direction. You will draw two pictures, which is the sky during day and the sky during night. You have 10 minutes to do your activity and do that. So, sino bang walang lapis dyan? Ayan. Very good. So, ako na magbibigay sa inyo ng crayons para it will make your drawing will magaganda naman ang kinalabasan. So, yung hindi mo na mag-drawing, pupuntahan ko dyan at tuturuan ko kayo. Diba? Alam naman natin kung paano mag-drawing. So, we have a criteria on how I will check your activity. So, our criteria is like creativity. It gives 25, 20, 15, and 10. So, neatness, use of colors, and effort. So, creativity is 25 points and shows original and unique ideas. 25 pa rin, kapag neatness, drawing is very clean and organized. Colors are used will enhance the drawing, and the effort shows understanding effort, attention to detail. And the total of this is 100 points. So, huwag kayo mag-alala dahil marunong naman ako mag-appreciate o paano kayo mag-drawing. Nakuha? Okay, good. You will start now. Tapos na ba? Okay, very good. Ang dali. So, pass your paper in my hand. Thank you. So now, let's check on what you have learned in our week. So our last activity is answer the multiple choice. So let us check your knowledge or okay, you must check your knowledge para malalaman natin kung mayroon kayong natutunan sa ating lesson. So please get 1/4 sheet of paper and I will read this para mas malinaw sa inyo. Okay, nakaba? Very good. Okay, nakatunan na ba ng 1/4? Okay, so number 1. What do we see in the sky during the day? What do we usually see at night? Which gives us light, not heat? What shines at night but is not electric owns light? What are the small shining objects seen at night? Okay, we will start to answer now. Tapos na? Very good! So, ito-check natin ang papel mamaya. So, it is already time. So, wala na tayong time. So, mayroon akong i-review sa inyo ang assignment. In your assignment, get a picture and cut it out like the sun, moon, stars, or anything that we can see in the sky. And place them into a notebook. Nakuha ba yung direction? Magkuha kayo ng mga picture at gugupitin nyo ito katulad ng sun, the moon, stars, or kahit anong na makikita natin sa sky. At ikalagay ito sa inyong notebook. And I will check it tomorrow. Okay? So, wala na tayong time. I will say goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye and God bless.